Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain about web service. Here, I create a REST API for developer to consume my database in my uh, database PHP my admin using XAMPP. Now, here you can see my code. I will explain first about my code. In line 2 and 3, here I use for connecting my PHP to database. This is very simple syntax. We just need to connect to database and then check if the result of count is false, will showing the echo db connection failed. And then in the 5 line, we need to create a response variable equal with array, because this variable we will use as a temporary for the database data from database, and then for the showing in JSON in code. Next, in line 7 until 16, we need to check the name when the developer select by ID. Nah, we just add this. First check is the link include the name or not. If not include name, we will go directly to else and select star from biodata. If the link use name for select by ID, we'll check here select star from biodata where name. This one is if name inputted but the value in name is empty, so we'll go to this one else and showing all data from my DB. And then next, in line 18, take result from DB. Nah, MySQL query, this one is for take result from DB and check the connection which one we create in first time. Connect connection and SQL, and then result and input to result variable. Next line, we need to check if the result is get true or not. If the result not get true, the application not come to insert if this if will go to out. If the result is true, so the my API will come to this header. This line in line 20, I create for to make the code in my JSON to be JSON type, will showing as JSON type, because sometimes web not have plugin for their browser, so I think this one will help. Okay, and then this is variable declare first as 0, and then we check while row is MySQL fetch a result. Nah, if result don't have data, so we don't go to while. the application will go directly to echo JSON encode and show the response as empty data. And then if the result is have data, so the data will uh, insert to row, and then row is connecting to DB and input to response, name, gender, address will insert the response as our variable array. And then after we complete insert the data from DB, which is here is row, finish, move to response. So next we will go to echo JSON encode, so the response, and don't forget to add this one, JSON pretty print. JSON pretty print is to help developer to read the JSON. Okay, until this I think you can understand what I say. Now next we will try to use Postman. Okay, we will wait. Nah, localhost. Why localhost? Because I use exam, so the exam, to access the exam document we need at localhost as a heterodox folder, and then we need to add our folder name API and then api.php. Okay. api.php. Okay, set. Now here we can see the data showing. The other data for my DB is showing here. Uh, First you can sorry, localhost php my admin will show my best students biodata, my table, and then now you can see this is all of my data, and I show in Postman using API. Okay, next we will try to um, find with name. I think this one is name. Forget, sorry, name, right? This is my name. Fine. Nah, we can select by ID my data in my DB using API. This is the purpose of this video. Okay, I think that's it my video. I hope you can add your knowledge and can you can make you understand about my code. Okay, thank you. See you next time.